2 weeks. Jen and Amanda, back to you.
Yeah, we'll see what happens in a few weeks. Thanks, John.
So you were saying, I heard earlier, the smog is a little bit gone today?
Yeah, there's a lot of moisture in the air, so it looks worse.
Oh,
my.
What is that?
That's the stack out at Kennecott over in Magna, and Chopper 5 was up, and you can see a deck of low clouds. This was earlier today. They were starting to break apart a little bit this afternoon, so we were starting to see some sunshine. The air quality as measured at Hawthorne Elementary was quite a bit better today. In fact, yesterday it was between 90 and 120 micrograms per meter cubed, which is really bad. Today, 21 micrograms per meter cubed. That's quite a bit better. Unfortunately, with high pressure building in, it's going to get worse once again. Great shots. Look at the Ochre Mountains in the background. I love it when Chopper 5 is up. Gives us an idea of what it's like above the ground. 31 degrees at Bismarck, 38 in Chicago, 32 in Boston. Almost everybody is warmer across the country. That deep, cold, bitter Arctic air that was entrenched across much of the country is gone. And we're kind of in a pattern shift now. As low pressure in the Pacific is going to start taking over, that's going to change everything beginning next week. In the meantime, the interim shift, we're going to have high pressure over us. So valley inversions will strengthen for tonight, tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday before we start to see a significant difference in the weather. 19 in Vernal right now, no change really for you folks in the basin. Look at this price though, with that northerly wind today scouring the cold air out. You are one of the warmer spots. St. George is 57. You can see the remnants of this little storm that went by. It did bring some light snow and rain to Delta. Delta, you had steady rain last night, 1/4 of an inch of rain. Oak City had 1 inch of snow. More snow at Oak City than at Alta, where only 1/2 inch fell. There's the ridge of high pressure. A little rain up in the Pacific Northwest. Watch as this just sort of moves a little bit eastward tomorrow. Doesn't change much on Saturday. The jet stream to the north of us, it will buckle beginning on Monday, and big changes. I've put precipitation in here for 3 of the next 7 days. That's Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday in Cache Valley. Could be a little rain mixed in. In the meantime, for the next 3 days, valley inversions will strengthen, and temperatures will likely turn warmer in the spots that are above the inversion or out of the urban areas, and then it will turn colder along the Wasatch Front. Periods of rain and snow beginning on Monday. This is the pattern shift we've been talking about, and as it takes shape, it will scour away much of the cold air that's been entrenched for days and days and days. Even the basin will start to see some warmer weather. Southeastern Utah, Arches, Canyonlands, periodic rain and snow showers next week. It's not going to be a steady storm. It won't be raining or snowing all the time, but we'll have several weather disturbances moving in, and that will help to dislodge the cold air in the basin. So your highs will actually get up close to freezing by the end of next week. I know that's not saying much, but a little bit warmer. And for the Wasatch back, we're waiting for some storminess, so this will bring some snow for the skiers next week. In the meantime, look how warm it'll be Saturday and Sunday, getting up there towards 40, 41, 42 degrees. Now, southern Utah, again, this is the Great Escape weekend for Utah's Dixie, Zion National Park, Snow Canyon, any of those recreation areas in the 50s for, in fact, mid-upper 50s Saturday, Sunday before it turns occasionally unsettled next week. Smoggy for 3 days. Gets worse each day, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 35 to 40 periods of rain and snow showers next week. And it may go on for 14 days, 20 days. It looks like a big pattern shift.
Yeah, we sure need that.
We need the snow. We need the snow for skiers and for the snowpack.
Yeah, thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Dan.